morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. अन्वेषा, सक्षम, सूर्यांश, उत्सव, चित्रांश, अंजलि. अन्वेषा,
Yes, sir.
Good morning,
please.
sir.
Good morning, beta. Anmol, please turn your camera on. You all are requested to turn your camera on.
Okay, sir.
You have to turn your camera on, remain during the class. No need to turn your camera off. Chitransh, you are not audible. Please turn your, if you want to say something, please unmute yourself. So let's start the class. I think we are done with the book reading of chapter Java and BlueJ, no? Beta, Saksham, Suryansh, Utsav. Bacha, am I
Good morning,
audible?
sir.
Good morning. You all are requested to turn your camera on. Okay. I think we have to start from the bookwork of chapter Java and BlueJ. Open page number 163 in a book. Chitransh. So I will be joining from other device. Okay. Anmol, Anvesha, Dev, Pratyush, Saksham. Beta, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Turn your camera
Yes,
on.
sir.
Turn your camera on. एक बार की बात समझ नहीं आती आप लोगों को. You have to remain your camera on during the class. Tushar, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Suryansh Avasti, good morning. Saksham. Chalo, let's start the class. So first fill up. The Java programming language is an language. What kind of language it is?
Object oriented.
Yes, it is an object-oriented programming language. So please write object-oriented programming language. You can also write the
Nice, sir.
short form OOP, double OP, oops. You can also write the short form. Done?
So what are we doing?
We are doing the bookwork of chapter Java and BlueJ from on page number 163.
Okay, sir.
One here. Aditya Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What were you doing?
Sir. Nothing.
Nothing. So next question is considered the first object-oriented programming language. So you can also write the small talk or Simula. Simula or
Good morning,
small.
sir.
Good morning. You can also write Simula and
What
small.
are you doing?
We are doing the bookwork of chapter Java and BlueJ, बच्चे. Done. Saif, please turn your camera on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. What can be defined as an instance of a class? What will be the answer of this one? Dave. Third, Philip.
Sir, what? Yes, sir.
Third, Philip. Can be defined as an instance of a class. An object can be defined as an instance of a class. You have to write object.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now move to the next one. Is defined as a blueprint from which you can create an individual project. Is defined as a blueprint from which you can create an individual project. When I was teaching in the class, when I told you what can be defined as a blueprint, I just used the word beta. When I was teaching you in the class, then class will be the answer only. Okay? Class is defined as the blueprint from which you can create an individual object. Done? Done, bacha?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next question I am going to ask from Saf. Saf, you have to answer the fifth fill up. Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as yes, Saf. Saf. The next question Kushagra will answer. It is abstraction. It is abstraction. Abstraction. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Kushagra. Where is Kushagra? हाँ भाग गई. सूर्यांश अवस्थी, सक्षम, उत्सव, इरम, मायरा, and Samrit Srivastav, Pratyush Pal. Please turn your camera on.
Sir, small talk is considered the first truly
Small talk and we can
object-oriented.
small talk slash similar. We can write the not on the board. Okay. Next is defined. Kushagra, you have to answer the sixth fill up. Is defined as the wrapping of data under a single unit. No, Dev. Kushagra will answer this question only. Dev, you, Dev, be ready with the seventh MCQ. Seventh fill up. Kushagra. हाँ बेटा. Is defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit. What would be the answer, bacha? Anyone else?
Encapsulation.
Yes, it is encapsulation. Encapsulation. Done? Dev, now please turn your camera on. Without using the chat GPT or like something other AI tool, you have to answer the seventh.
नहीं use
Seventh.
नहीं use कर रहा था.
हाँ.
Package declaration is placed just after the introduction section.
No, it is just placed after the document section.
सर अलग अलग
हाँ जी. Introduction section in which you only define the class and document section consists the whole uh, source code. Okay, got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next question is Aditya will answer the next one. Aditya, eighth fill up.
Okay, sir. An interface that can be used with other interfaces by
An
using dash.
Aditya just a minute. And फिर से पढ़ना an interface that कहाँ पे लिखा है मुझे को ये दिखा दो बस.
An interface can also be used with other interfaces by using the keyword.
Which keyword?
So don't know.
Beta, I need the answer. That is why I just called you. Anyone else? No, they.
Extends.
Yes, it is. It is extends. Very good, Anvesha. Extends, extends, extends keyword. Done. Chalo, who is going to answer the next question? Saif Ali is going to answer the next question. Chalo, good. Saif, all Java statements end with a
Semicolon.
yes, it is semicolon. Good. All Java statements ends with a semicolon. Good. Next. Who is going to answer the next one? Myra is going to answer the next question. Myra, please turn your camera on. Hiram, you also. Utsav, Suryansh. Myra, are you there, bacha?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to turn your camera off.
Sir, I have really poor network. If I do, then I'll not be able to.
Acha, then answer the 10th last fill up.
So, we can easily create a Java program without the class. True.
No, I'm just asking the last fill up.
Sir, assembly.
No. Anyone else?
Sir, may I?
Suryansh? No. Suryansh?
Sir, may I?
Acha, Kushag, you found the answer, na? Chalo, Kushag will give the answer.
Sir, compiling.
It is compilation. Good. It is compilation. So now let's move to the true and false. First true false. Anvesha, please read out the first true false. Saksham.
Sir, false.
First statement of the true false. You have to read
Sir,
it.
his answer. Achha. We can easily create a Java program without the class.
It is
False.
true or false?
Sir, false.
It is false because we cannot create a Java program without the class. Okay, we can't. It is not possible to create the Java program without defining the class because Java is an object-oriented programming language. And when I was teaching in the class, I told you two types of programming languages. किसको याद है? Two
So,
types
एक
of
Procedural programming language
object-oriented.
and object programming.
sorry, object-oriented
And procedural.
yes. What is the difference between object-oriented and procedural programming language? Difference between object-oriented and procedural.
Object-oriented
Sir, in
programming
object-oriented,
encapsulates the whole code in containers, but in procedural,
Sir, in object oriented, we need to define the class,
And in the
but in
procedural,
subject, but in procedural programming,
first one is the object oriented and another one is the subject oriented. Ko de.
nahi sir,
Another one is
sir,
the
procedural.
procedural.
Sorry.
It is procedural programming language. As the name suggests, beta, procedure means step by step solution of something, na? But in case of object oriented, we have to define the classes. There is no function and all. Okay. In the procedure oriented programming, we can't get the reusability of the code, but in the object oriented programming language we easily get the reusability of the code. Means to say, if we have just defined a class, let's suppose that when a class defined kari 8th C online class 8th C online ठीक या virtual class, okay, then with the help of this class, whatsoever I am writing inside it, I can reuse it whenever it is needed. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next true false. Who is going to? Chitransh. Next statement.
main method is an entry point of the class. True.
Good. Chalo. Now who is going to read the next one? I think Utsav is going to read the next one. Utsav, you have to read the next statement. Utsav, are you here, beta?
Sir, are you in school?
Yes. I'm at your favorite place. Chalo. Utsav is not here, I think. Iram, are you here, beta? Iram. Beta, you have to read out the next statement. Third statement. Beta, you have said true. Sir is not true. Statement is true. Chalo. Saf, read out the third statement.
The text within slash asterisk slash is treated as a comment.
It is true or false?
True. True.
Good. Good. Next. Dev, read out the next statement.
The text within slash at risk is treated as a comment. True.
Arey beta, fourth statement.
The curly brackets cannot be used to group all the
Dev,
commands together.
Dev, it is 9:56. अपनी नींद से बाहर आ जाओ. ठीक है? चलो. Next, the curly brackets cannot be used to group all the comments together. It is true or false?
False.
It is
False.
false. Good. Kushag, read out the next statement.
The word static indicates that it does not return any value.
True or false?
Sir, true. True.
Anyone else?
सर false होगा.
It is false, beta. True. True.
Void होता है.
Next, Anvesha, read out the next statement. After the completion of this book work, today I'm going to take you show you something interesting. Like we are going to learn SQL today. Structured query language, how to work on the
Structured query
database
language.
server. I will just share my screen. So ASAP complete this. Anvesha, read out the next one.
The method printing prints the text on the screen with a new line. Sir,
Yes.
true.
True. Next, Anvesha.
Sir, true. Sir, the method printing
No, next
prints
one,
the
next one.
text.
It is true. ठीक है. Next one.
Comments have to deal with the formatting of the source codes. Sir, false.
Comments have to deal with the formatting of source code. Chitra, what will be the answer?
सर false.
Comments have to deal with the formatting of the source code. It is false.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next, Dev, last one.
Separators are generally used in strings to
Dev.
give a particular character.
Dev,
Sir.
camera on है, annoying face mode बनाओ. I'm able to see.
Arey, sir.
Chalo.
Separators are generally used in strings to give a particular character an escape.
It
Sir,
is
true.
Chalo, and now just take question number 6. You have to
The
take.
seventh one was false.
Which one?
Seventh one.
Comments have to deal with the formatting of the source code. It will be true, yeah. Comments.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, beta, do one thing. Mark the question number 6. Section C, question number 6. फटाफट जल्दी से. उसके बाद मुझे पूरी स्क्रीन शेयर करनी है. Question number 6, 8, 9 and 10. 6, 8, 9 and 10. Done? Six, 8, 9 and 10 done?
Yes, sir.
You have to do these questions. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
ठीक है,
Okay,
SQL
sir.
SQL की कमांड सीखनी है आज? Do you want to learn
Sir.
SQL?
Yes, sir.
How many of you interested to learn SQL?
Sir,
Just raise your hand in the
Me.
chat box. If you are interested, just raise your hand in the chat box. Good, 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 good. I think Kushagra, Anvesha, Myra, Saksham are not interested. So let's remove them from the class if they are not interested. Myra is interested.
Sir, I forgot how to raise hand in chat box.
Chalo. Anvesha is not interested. Saksham and Kushagra is not interested. Chalo, let's Anvesha interested. Kushagra is still not interested. Chalo. Let me share my screen with you first. I hope my screen is clearly visible to you right now. It is visible?
Yes.
Okay. So first we have to search server. What you will search? MySQL server. And you have to go to the MySQL installer 8.0. Just a minute. After that, you will be clicking, you will be choosing your operating system from here. Select version, which version you want to download. Let's suppose I'm having 32-bit operating system in my laptop. Then I'll download this one. Either you will be having MSI, you can download this install. So I'll be downloading second one. No thanks. Just start my download. Okay. After this, your download will begin from here, and you have to install it. Clear? अभी मैं इसको stop करता हूँ. I have already installed this in my system. Now there are certain commands I am going to locate it from start menu because I have already installed my MySQL command line. Here it is. दिख रहा है ये MySQL command line और Unicode. I have to click on the Unicode. This kind of window, this kind of dialog box will appear in front of you. You have to just maximize this dialog box. और पासवर्ड आपको कौन सा एंटर करना है? देखो जब हम लोग इंस्टॉल कर रहे होंगे ना, एट दैट टाइम that particular application will ask for the password and you have to give the password. वो पासवर्ड आपको यहाँ पे एंटर करना है. तो मैं अपना पासवर्ड एंटर कर लेता हूँ. जैसे मैंने पासवर्ड एंटर किया, मेरे पास इस तरीके का एक इंटरफेस आ जाएगा. क्लियर? बात समझ में आई या नहीं?
Yes.
Yes,
ठीक.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
चल डू वन थिंग. कौन लैपटॉप पे क्लास ले रहा है तुम में से? Who is taking the classes on laptop?
मेरा लैपटॉप खराब हो गया.
और कौन ले रहा है लैपटॉप पे क्लास? Samrid. Samrid, you have to share your screen with me. I'm just giving you the permission. Just a minute. So I have given you the permission to share a screen. Okay, Samrid, just search, open Google Chrome. अच्छा, समृद्ध को जैसे बोला लैपटॉप पे क्लास रहा है, तुरंत हैंड रेज किया. इतनी जैसे कह रहा हूँ बेटा आवाज बोल दे, कैमरा ऑन कर ले, तब समृद्ध से नहीं ऑन कर. टेम्पल रन you have installed, ब्लू स्टैक you have installed. Good, well done, शाबाश बच्चे मेरे.
आज इसकी सब पर्सनल लाइफ देख लेंगे हम.
चलो, now you have to search MySQL.
सर कर लिया डाउनलोड.
Wait a minute. Let me show this. Beta Samriddhi, you have to click on MySQL installer 8. फिर से बैक आओ. MySQL installer. Download ये जो सेकंड वाला आ रहा है 306.5 MB. Yes, good. No thanks. Just start my download. And wait for a minute. You are using mobile phone network or Wi-Fi? Dave, you have downloaded.
Yes, sir.
Then you are requested to share your screen.
Sir, the website has 32-bit installer, but my laptop is 64-bit installer present.
Then you can install 64. I'll just give you the resolution later. Dave, बेटा इसको पोर्ट्रेट में करो. लैंडस्केप कर रखा है तुमने फोन पे. Now it is okay. Spider Man. Yes, Dave, just show me. फोन को लेके नियर लेके जाओ उसके. Dave, yes. Why don't you take the classes on laptop? Dave, you have to install full. Third option, third.
Okay.
Choose the third one, full.
सर एक मिनट सर मैं लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन कर
समृद्ध, समृद्ध बेटा. Download done?
नहीं सर.
Samridh asking from you.
No sir, I'm downloading.
Your voice is not coming, Samridh.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible.
What you are asking?
I was asking downloading done.
No sir.
Still is in process. So let me show my till then let me share my screen with you. Sure. After this kind of an interface will appear in front of you, and you have to like write some commands to make the tables in it. The first command I am going to tell you. Firstly, I just want to show the tables, how many tables I have in my database. So first I have to write show databases. How many databases I have in my SQL server. So show databases command. After that, the semicolon I have to press. Enter. These are the databases. First database present in my SQL server information schema. Next one is MySQL. Another one is performance schema. Next one is practical. Next one is sys. Sys stands for systems database. The last one is 12th underscore CS computer science. Now I'm just going to make another database with the name of class A. Create database 8. Query, देखो, query okay, one row affected. It means our database has been successfully created. Now I'm going to write the same command, show databases, colon, and press enter. देखो, 8C databases presented. Okay, it is visible. Is it visible, bacha?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now I'm going to use this database. Use 8C database change. It means whatsoever I am doing right now, I am just going to do it inside the 8C. So let's write down another command, show tables. Let's see how many tables are present inside this database. Because I have just created this database, it means there will be no table inside this database. So show tables, and I'll just get the query here empty set because I have no table inside the show this data inside this database. Clear? Let's suppose just create a table, create
Yes,
table,
sir.
create table virtual virtual class. Okay, I had one a table
Sir,
must
is there no
Haji.
graphical interface for MySQL server?
If you want to graphical interface, then you have to choose MongoDB. Otherwise, there will be no graphical interface. There will be only the command line interface, CLI based. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think a table must have a visible column. Okay. There is no visible column. Now a table has been created with the name of SR. Now I just want to create the column inside it. Let's suppose now I have to choose the data type that we had discussed in the Microsoft Access chapter. ध्यान है एक्सेस चैप्टर में कौन कौन से डेटा टाइप पढ़े थे हम लोगों ने एनी वन ऑफ यू रिमेम्बर
Yes, sir.
बताओ
Sir, long होता था.
हम्म
सर शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट था।
वेल डन
Integer भी
सॉरी और कौन कौन से थे बेटा
sir, long और short text
डू यू
हुआ
रिमेम्बर
करते थे और
सर एक
integer के लिए
यस
number
नो
हुआ करता
एक
था.
यस नो था एक
डू यू
यस नो था।
डू यू रिमेम्बर अबाउट इन फ्लोट और लाइक इंट varchar
नहीं सर.
varchar variable character I told you and char data type characters data type as well
सर
याद है
date and time होता था.
डेट एंड टाइम होता था वेल डन और
सर
टाइम
एक
अटैचमेंट
सर
एंड
अटैचमेंट कौन सा डेटा टाइप थे
ऑटो नंबर.
सर था।
बेटा बट देयर विल बी नो
ऑटो नंबर होता था.
ऑटो नंबर हाँ ऑटो नंबर होता था who was the auto number
हाइपरलिंक भी था।
and one more
चित्रांश.
uh, and one OLE object linking and embedding remember
यस सर।
हाँ.
but
करेंसी भी होता था।
they we have installed they we have joined from laptop
सर ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा सर, इंस्टॉल तो कर रहा हूँ सर। वो
then
कस्टम सेलेक्ट करा.
then do one thing just turn your camera on because first let me show you how can we install and after that we'll be executing the query they view screen you have to turn your back camera on and custom selected select product save what you did beta you have to go
कस्टम सेलेक्टेड.
no you have to go to the first you have to choose full na
सर वो फुल पे नहीं.
what is it is showing okay you don't have MSI installer then install only server first one server only first one not client server only next MSI installer you didn't download the MSI installer
नहीं सर.
go to the website they do it fast beta
यस सर.
इसका एक गूगल सॉरी जूम का ये 40 मिनट का फीचर बहुत खराब है ऑटोमेटिकली क्लास बंद कर देते
MSI इंस्टॉल.
ओनली सर्च MySQL no need to search MSI installer MySQL download
सर ये रहा MySQL इंस्टॉलर.
installer yes download the first one as well दोनों डाउनलोड करने हैं फर्स्ट भी एंड सेकंड भी
अच्छा ठीक है.
नो थैंक्स स्टार्ट माय डाउनलोड Done.
सर चालू हो गया।
It is around. It will be around some 2 MB or 3 MB.
एक 2.1 MB का है और दूसरा 307 MB का है।
First one you have to install only. Second one no need to install. Second one you have because you have second one you have already downloaded ना.
मैंने फर्स्ट वन पहले डाउनलोड करा।
First one download का second download ही नहीं करा.
नहीं सर,
तो second को download करो बेटा, वो तो main package है हमारा.
मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Wi-Fi is there or you are just
हो जाएगा
connecting?
तो
Wi-Fi is there or you are just connecting with the hotspot only?
हॉटस्पॉट।
Then how it is possible to download?
बस हो गया।
Suryansh, you have downloaded? Yes, Aditya, you have downloaded? Aditya, you raised your hand.
No, sir.
And why did you raise
Sir,
your hand?
Samrid, not Suryansh.
अच्छा हाँ, Samrid, you have done?
I have downloaded first one.
And what about the second?
दूसरा वाला हो रहा है
What about the second one?
सर 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा
5 मिनट में बेटा क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी. इसके बाद किस सब्जेक्ट की क्लास है बताओ? Who will take your next lecture? Do you have any idea?
सर अभी थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगा।
Was just totally lost cases nowadays ना. तो लिंक भेजेगा उसी का
सर
होगा.
नहीं काम करता है सर। सर टाइम टेबल नहीं चल रहा, कोई भी कभी भी ले लेता है।
सर कभी
हाँ
भी
कोई भी कभी
सर
भी
कभी भी
लेता है।
किसी का भी लेक्चर लग जाता है।
Once you have downloaded, please let me know. Sir, I have downloaded so that I can teach.
Okay.
चित्रांश, you have downloaded? चित्रांश ने कर लिया होगा, पता नहीं रहेगा.
सर हो गया।
चलो, now turn your camera on. Quickly.
सर मैं तो VS कोड पे चलाता हूँ, मैं SQL वाला।
VS Code पे जब सर्वर पे बात करोगे तो वहां पे VS Code काम नहीं करेगा बेटा. देव,
सर ये देखो सर, हो गया। कहाँ गया? ये रहा।
हाँ now
सर दोनों हो गए।
इंस्टॉल करो. पहले सेकंड वाला करो.
इनमें से कौन सा सेकंड वाला है, ये मैं
जो
भूल गया।
306 MB के समथिंग होगा वो होगा सेकंड.
मिल गया मिल गया। तो पहले सेकंड वाला करता हूँ।
सर फुल वाला लेना होता है?
Either you have to take full or else you have to take the first one, like server only. No need to choose client only. Otherwise, you will not be getting the functionality. Done, Dev,
हो गया सर।
server only. Dev, you need to choose server only.
तो अब क्या हो गया ऐसे?